The button for the lobby remains unlit, no matter how many times I press it. The elevator just keeps climbing. Floor 13, 14, 15. My building only has 12 floors. The doors slide open to a hallway identical to mine, but everything is shrouded in a deep, unsettling silence. No city noise, no distant sirens, just nothing. The doors close. Floor 16. This time, the silence is broken by a faint whisper. It sounds like my name, stretched and distorted. I see a shadow flicker at the end of the hall, gone as quickly as it appeared. The air grows cold. Floor 17. The whispers are louder now, coming from all around. The shadows outside the door are dancing, coalescing into a tall, thin figure. It's waiting for me, and then I understand. The elevator isn't broken. It's been making a delivery. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more chills.